今日はピートが日直だよ。やらなきゃいけないことをちゃんと覚えられるかな
？Oh, it's my turn to do the chores this week. I can finally get that gold star sticker everyone else has. Let's see. Water the flowers at 9:15. Feed the fish at 12 o'clock. Clean the floors at 3:45. I'll write these times down on my hand and set alarms so I don't forget. Yeah. 9:15. 12 o'clock. 3:45. That sounds easy enough. It's 9:14 now, so I better water the flowers. Now, where's that watering can? Here we go. A watering can. Now, what was I doing? Let's look at the chore wheel again. It's gone! Oh no! Okay. It's up to me to remember the times and the chores. But I have a terrible memory. No! And I only wrote the times down on my hand. Oh no! At 9:15, let's water. Yeah, that was it. Water the floors? Yeah. At 9:15, let's water the floors. That was it. Yeah. What? Oh yeah, the chores. At 12 o'clock, let's feed. Yes, let's feed the the flowers. Yes, the flowers. At 12 o'clock, let's feed the flowers. What do they eat? I mean, I love bananas. Yeah, so I bet they do too. Yeah, here you go, flowers. Yeah. Oh yes, my final chore before I leave school today. Yeah. Okay, let's see. I can do this. I can remember. At 3:45. Okay. Let's clean the fish. Yes. At 3:45, let's clean the fish. Okay, fishies, let's make them shiny and clean. Yeah. They look beautiful. Yeah. That's all my chores done for today. I bet the teacher will be so proud and I'll finally get that gold sticker. Yeah.
Pete, why is there water all over the floor and a banana in the flowers? Did you clean the fish?
Yes, I did. I did exactly what the chore chart said. Yeah.
That's not what the chore chart said. It said water the flowers at 9:15. Feed the fish at 12 o'clock. Clean the floors at 3:45.
It did? Oh no! I'm never getting that gold star now! The truth is, the chore chart went missing, and so I tried to remember them, and I must have got it wrong. I'm sorry.
Oh, Pete, if you had a problem remembering, you should have just asked me. It's okay to ask for help. I'm going to give you the gold star sticker anyway, because you obviously tried really hard. Just ask for help next time, okay, Pete?
Oh, wow, thank you! I finally get a gold star! Yay!
ピートは全部覚えられなかったけど、よく頑張ったよ。次はもっとうまくできるといいね。
See you next time!